Hello and welcome back to Baking by Leah. This week I am going to be making a Battenberg. What you will need: 4 ounces of butter, 4 ounces of caster sugar, 2 eggs, cup of water, half a teaspoon of vanilla essence, a jar of raspberry jam, 6 ounces of self-raising flour, and approximately 25 drops of pink food colouring gel. Preheat your oven and grease 2 bread tins. Cream together your butter and sugar. Crack 1 egg with a tablespoon of flour sieved. Then beat it in, then repeat the same thing again. Now sift in the rest of your flour, but also you may need a little drop of water, as when you whisk it in, the mixture may become dry. Now that we have our 2 cake mixtures, one bowl I'm going to add in my vanilla extract and the other bowl I'm going to add in my food colouring gel. Now put your cake mixtures into their tins. Roll out your marzipan. Now cut your cakes into your square shapes. Now put raspberry jam on the side of where the cake is showing. Now put together your Battenberg by taking 1 plain slice with your coloured slice and slide them together. And then repeat, but on opposite sides. So you take where you've got your plain slice, you take a pink slice, and where you've got your pink slice, you take your plain slice. Take your rolled marzipan and spread the jam on the base. Then wrap and smooth it around your cake and use any offcuts to fill in the gaps, but don't cover the front or the back of your cake. Thank you for watching this week's YouTube video. I hope you enjoyed it.